There are 4 pillars that make a man's presence magnetic. And let me tell you something. If even one of these pillars is missing, your whole vibe feels weak. People won't respect you, they won't remember you, and they won't take you seriously. But if you master all 4, you'll glow up in a way no haircut, no outfit, no money can ever give you. Because presence is deeper than looks. It's that invisible force people feel when you walk in a room. Now let's break it all down. Pillar number 1, the pillar of silence. This is a foundation. Most guys ruin their presence because they talk too much. They explain, they overshare, they try to fill every moment with words. They laugh too loud, they chase reactions, they can't handle quiet. And all of that comes from nervous energy. And nervous energy kills presence. Strong men, magnetic men, they understand silence is power. They don't rush to respond. They don't feel the need to prove themselves in every conversation. They listen more than they speak. And when they finally do speak, their words hit harder. Next time you're in a group, try this experiment. Instead of jumping into every topic, lean back. Watch. Observe. Let people talk. When you do speak, keep it short and clear. Instantly, people will feel something different. They'll lean in. They'll take your words seriously. Your silence makes others uncomfortable in a good way. Your calm makes others respect you. Silence is not emptiness. Silence is power. The more you can sit in silence without needing to prove anything, the more your presence grows. Pillar number 2, the pillar of discipline. Listen carefully, because this one separates the average from the powerful. Presence is not just how you look on the outside. It's how much control you have over yourself. If you can't control your body, your habits, your time, you'll never have magnetic presence. Because people can feel it when a man is sloppy with his life. It shows in your posture, in your grooming, in the way you move. Discipline shows without words. When you wake up early, train your body, eat clean and stay consistent. People might not see your routine, but they'll feel it in your energy. Discipline creates sharpness. It creates stability. And that stability is rare today. Think about it. A man who can't even control what time he wakes up, how can people trust him in serious situations? But a man who is disciplined, he enters a room and instantly feels solid. He doesn't even need to say anything, because his vibe communicates it for him. Discipline is built in private, when no one is watching. If your room is messy, your diet is trash, and your goals are ignored, your presence will feel weak. But when you stay consistent in private, your presence in public becomes unshakable. Pillar number 3, the pillar of calmness. This is the secret most guys ignore. Many men live in chaos. They react too fast. They get angry at small things. They panic under pressure. They fidget with their hands, bounce their legs, force fake smiles. All of this destroys presence, because presence is about control. And magnetic men are calm no matter what. Their face is relaxed. Their movements are smooth. Their voice is steady. When everyone else is stressed, they're collected. Calmness is attractive because it makes people feel safe around you. It makes people trust you. It makes you look like a leader. Think about the men you admire. Do they look nervous? Do they panic in chaos? No, they stay calm. Calmness is power. Practice this. Next time something annoys you, don't react instantly. Pause. Breathe. Keep your body still. Respond slowly. This one habit will change how people see you. Because when you master calmness, you become unshakable. You become the anchor in the storm. People will naturally follow your lead without you asking. Pillar number 4, the pillar of self-respect. This is the core pillar. Without it, the other 3 collapse. Self-respect is what makes people respect you before you even open your mouth. If you're chasing validation, begging for attention, or letting people disrespect you without saying a word, your presence will always be weak. Self-respect means you hold yourself to a standard. You don't lower it for anyone. You keep promises to yourself. You say no when you need to. You cut off people who drain your energy. And most importantly, you don't move like you need approval. Because here's the truth. When you respect yourself, people can feel it. They don't know why, but they sense it. They sense that you're solid, that you're not desperate. And that's what makes your presence magnetic. Think about it. A man with no self-respect will always over-explain, over-talk, and try to please everyone. But a man with self-respect moves different. He doesn't need to beg. He doesn't need to impress. He just exists with strength. and people feel it. So let's recap. Silence, discipline, calmness, self-respect. These are the 4 pillars. Break them and you'll blend in. Master them and you'll stand out without even trying. The crazy part is anyone can do this. You don't need designer clothes. You don't need big money. You don't even need to talk a lot. You just need to practice these pillars until they become your second nature. Now let's go even deeper into each one, so you know exactly how to apply them daily. Pillar 1, silence. Start with small changes. When someone tells a story, don't interrupt. Let them finish. When you're asked a question, pause for 2 seconds before answering. That pause makes you sound more confident. Stop over-explaining yourself. If someone asks why you do something, don't give a full life story. Answer straight. Practice enjoying silence when you're alone. Put your phone down. No music. No scrolling. Just sit. The more comfortable you are with silence, the more powerful you'll feel around people. Pillar 2, discipline. This one requires real work. Your presence is built in your habits. If you train your body consistently, your posture and movements change. If you eat clean, your skin, your energy, your vibe changes. If you wake up on time, your day has structure. Discipline builds an aura of respect. People can sense when you're a man who keeps promises to himself. They may not know your full routine, but they can feel that you're not lazy. They can feel that you live with control. Discipline is rare. That's why it's powerful. Pillar 3, calmness. To build calmness, start with your body language. Stop tapping your fingers. Stop bouncing your knees. Stop forcing fake laughs when you're nervous. Keep your movements slow. Lower your tone when you talk. Don't rush your words. Take pauses. Keep your face neutral or with a soft smirk. And train your mind daily. Do breathing exercises. Write your thoughts down. Go for solo walks. Calmness isn't just acting chill. It's becoming genuinely unbothered by small chaos. And when you have that energy, people can't ignore you. Pillar 4, self-respect. This one is the core. Stop chasing people who don't value you. Stop saying yes when you want to say no. Self-respect means keeping promises to yourself and holding a standard you don't break. If you say you'll train, do it. If you say you'll quit a bad habit, follow through. Every time you keep your word, your self-respect grows. And when it grows, people feel it. That's why some men don't need to flex or talk loud. They move in silence, but everyone respects them because deep down they respect themselves. If you enjoyed this video, check out our more videos. You will definitely love them too. See you in the next video.